very emotional for me. But I don't like being emotional. That's not my best thing because I cry under the bed. Nobody sees me crying. So I'm not crying today. Because queens don't cry in public, by the way. You fix your crown and cry later, okay? Unless it's happy tears, but still, I want to still be a queen. Your name is the Queen of Toro. Thank you so much for honoring my invitation. You're one of the people I have admired from a distance. You don't know me, you did not know me. I admired you because there's a way you carry yourself. You don't know me much, but there's a certain level of ladies and idols I chose, and you're one of them, but you didn't know. But it's because of how you carry yourself and support women. And I've had you push women to the next level, and I'm attracted to feminists because they empower each and every one. Because if you empower a woman, you're empowering the whole nation. Because these women have, thank you. These women have their husbands, they have children, they have sisters, they have brothers, they have... So when you hire one person, or you employ one woman, you've employed more than 50 people that you don't know. Because I remember my mother used to work in a coffee factory. Oh, mom left? Bathroom. Okay, I'll wait for mama. So as mama comes back, I am observing each and every one. Mama Halima, like you said, you have a bit of me that you know, and I'm so honored that you're here. I'm so honored because I love people who have seen me grow, because they can stand and tell the people where I've come from. So many people have jumped on board of I love Sheebah, but a few know my real story. And you're one of them. I think you have an idea about my story. Thank you so much for coming here. Miss Maggie, Dr. Maggie, I love you because before I got to meet you, I thought you wouldn't like people like me. Yeah, I have that fear. It's the same thing I had when I was telling my best friend. By the way, this is my best friend and my cousin sister. Yes, and we decided to do business together because she knows me more than anybody. She understands when I'm about to break down in public. She understands when I am really happy. So who else would be able to protect our money like my best friend? Because she knows if I win, we win. We've been together for so long, we fought our wars. So tonight, I feel like it's your night more. Yeah. And I know this is so strange for you, cameras and everything, but I'm so proud of you that you're pulling it off. You're MD, so you got this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everybody who came, everybody on this very beautiful table, the queens, I call every woman queen because we're all queens. Although we have our royal queens, we do have queens within us. We just need people to support us, and we put our crowns on very straight, okay? We need support, we need empowerment from the government, from our husbands, from our friends, from our circles. Don't just be having circles with you. They need to support your dreams, because without my friends, I wouldn't have done this. Yeah. I would like to recognize someone I might have talked about in my interviews. A man that has, so many people know the industry as an easy thing. But those of you that have been in the industry know it's not easy. Most especially when you're a woman. It gets very tricky. We don't get to sit on the table, you know. We have to work so hard to sit on the same table with the gentlemen, even if I still have this thing of, oh my gosh, Sheebah is the best female artist. They cannot say you are the best artist. They keep saying you are the best female artist because they don't think we belong to the table. I'm here to fight for that place for the ladies. Yeah. I am here, I'm a feminist from the bottom of my heart because I was raised by a single mother who was raised by a single mother who was raised by a single mother. It's not a curse, it's a blessing. Because guess what? If I had it on the table, if I had a father, if everything did go as it went, although it was bad, I wouldn't have been the strong woman I am today. So I'm thankful for everything I've gone through. My mom, I need her to come back so that I talk about her. But my mom is a queen. My mom is another queen who used to work in coffee factories, 2,000 only shillings, Uganda shillings a day. But she managed to look after 7 children. I was brought up by a queen. That's why she raised another queen. She didn't like the whole idea of singing. She hated it. I'll talk about it when she's back. She hated it, but right now she looks at me and she's like, I don't even know if she's excited or what. My mom is very laid back. She doesn't know how to show emotions. Today is the first time she has agreed to stand anywhere in front of cameras. So that means she's really proud of the cause that I'm doing. And because I love her so much, I feel so good that she feels proud. I want to recognize, let me go back there. I didn't have a father in my life, unfortunately, but I'm not complaining. I've met very strong men who have played the role of being a father to me. God blessed me with some angels. And one of them, I met him when I was very little. I was 15, and he took me in. We had a dancing group called Stingers. Yes. I was in a dancing group, I think some of you all remember it. The owner of that dancing group at that time was Mr. YETEGEKEDDE, who took me in. Can you stand up, please? And what? Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for seeing something so many people did not see. I want to recognize me from dreaming. You don't limit me. This product is entirely a Sheebah product, but my music team is right there and they're still supportive. I appreciate you, Team Muslim. Shout out to everybody from my team. Shout out to Olive, shout out to Sandra, the Chiwanuka family. Pesh, I see you. Bush, thank you so much. Mande, thank you so much. Ken, I see you. Dilisa, I love you. Bashi, I see you. Alan Chiwanuka, thank you so much. Jeff Chiwanuka, thank you so much for believing in me, because without the platform of music, I wouldn't be able to do this. I almost... Yes, it has been a long time since a woman, a sister, came out and said, let me get into this fight. Let me tell you, I've never had pressure like I've had on this product. It's not, let's put on some clothes, let's look good and go kill this show. No, it has so much details that I had no idea about. I had the dream. I got the idea, I did not know the details. That's when Mr. Ranga broke it down for me and I almost gave up. Because I did not know the details. I was like, no, I cannot do this. I don't have the money to afford this. And then when I went back home, Mariam says, Sheebah, I know you're scared because already it's too much, but we're gonna do this. I'll sell these parts. And Mr. Ranga told me, it's business. We can do this. All I needed people to tell me I can. At that time when I almost gave up. So thank you so much for always being around to get me back. My story as a woman, where I come from a very poor background, and I'm not complaining about it because now it doesn't count. I'm no longer poor. It doesn't count. It doesn't count. It doesn't count because that I have a saying I keep telling people, it does not guarantee you that you came from a rich family, that you're gonna die a rich person. But it does not guarantee you that you're born from a poor family, you should die a poor person. It all goes back to you. Me, I'm not gonna die poor, and I'm not gonna let any of my queens die poor. Okay? I'm gonna create all possible opportunities for every queen. My company is gonna be hiring 80% females, queens. Yes. Because usually we want to join the table, but we are not allowed to join the table because they feel like we are not yet ready and we cannot sit on the same table because we don't have the same brain. We do. We give birth to you. Yes. So we can do even more than you can imagine. We are your mothers. Yes. To the gentlemen who came today, thank you so much for coming on a product of a female. I invited you, but in my head I was like, I hope you know, like, this is a female product. I want you to also have awareness as fathers, as husbands, as boyfriends, what really women go through in these very difficult days. So it doesn't hurt if you know my woman cannot move, but I can go in a supermarket and I know her favorite part. It does not hurt. I feel so good if I had a husband and I'm not even feeling well and he knows where I'm not feeling well and he comes with a package of holy pads because he knows that's my favorite part. I would feel good. So guys, please step up. This is not just a woman business. It's your business too because you have your wives, you have your children, you have everything because trust me, like Crystal said, maybe someone say your mother might not be around, but your father is there and your kid is running to you. So you better have some information of where to get a beautiful, a very quality part. The purpose for this part, I'm so grateful that God has given me this great opportunity of being a great artist for 10 years, consecutive years, but I wanted to make the best out of this opportunity, not to just have it and then it wipes away without doing anything. But I wanted to make the best out of this opportunity by creating something that would mean something to women, since I'm a feminist. It's business, but also I want to give back. I want to talk to the women. I want to go in schools. I want to tell them my story. Maybe they will be informed. Maybe they will be inspired. So thank you so much. I'm not going to say much because I'm so nervous. But Holy Pads, like I said, this is a quality product. Actually, let me be honest. How I created this product, we had to go back and forth to get different tests, different samples. We got 6 samples from 6 different companies. I've tried to follow this up for, 5 years now? 4 coming to 5 years. It's been a dream. When we finally got the right company and we got the right quality, I tested it. I gave it to other females around me to test it. We took it back until we got the right quality. So I want you to trust me on this. I wouldn't sell you anything that would do you bad, because at the end of the day, that wouldn't be a good thing back to me again. So I want to be, yeah? She's saying I'm a queen, I shouldn't do bad things. Yes. I want you to have faith in me. I'm not going to say much. I want you to try out Holy Pads once. Like today, everyone is going to get out with a package. You know what? Yes. You can, yeah. I mean, you're getting gifts. You're getting gifts. Thank you. Everybody's going to walk out with a package. And in that package, there will be a sanitary pad. I want you to try it. I'm not good with forcing. I want you to try and get to know it on your own. Test it. Get back to me. Oh, send me anything. It could be by social media. It could be anything. But trust me, if you use Holy Pads, you won't use anything else. Trust me. So thank you so much for coming here today. And, well... Do we go back to that? Yes. Mama, Mama wange ndi wano.